In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset WPS Office settings to default. Sometimes WPS Office may not behave the way you expect. You might notice layout changes, unusual tool behavior, or settings that no longer feel familiar. In situations like these, resetting the application settings back to their default state can help restore everything to normal and give you a clean starting point. To begin, open WPS Office on your device and look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you will find a small icon that opens the Global Settings area. Go ahead and select that icon to access the main configuration options for the application. Once the Settings panel opens, locate and select the General Settings section. This area contains various preferences that control how WPS Office looks and functions. Take a moment to scroll down through the available options until you find the Reset Settings feature. This option is specifically designed to restore the application to its original default configuration. After selecting the Reset Settings option, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This message is simply asking you to confirm that you want to restore all settings to their default values. This step is important because it ensures changes are not made accidentally. If you are certain that you want to proceed, confirm the action by selecting the confirmation option. Once confirmed, WPS Office will automatically reset all customized settings. This process usually takes only a moment. When it is complete, the application will return to its original state just as it was when first used. Any visual adjustments, preference changes, or layout modifications you previously made will now be cleared. After the reset is finished, you can close the settings window and continue using WPS Office as usual. If needed, you can reapply specific preferences later, but many users find that the default setup offers the most stable and smooth experience. Resetting settings is especially helpful when troubleshooting issues, resolving unexpected behavior, or preparing the app for fresh use. It is a simple yet effective way to improve performance and usability without affecting your documents or files. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.